Alright guys, so today we're going to make a bowline knot. So we're going to use our line. This is the most useful knot in the entire world. I think you could use this for just about anything. So what you're going to do is, so the knot from here, or the line from here over, is like what you're going to be pulling on, okay? So this is what's going to be either attached to your hand, or you're going to use it to tie up, pull whatever you're tying up. So what we're going to do is first we're going to make a loop. So with the bowline, you're going to first make a loop. All right, and so what you're going to want, like I said, this is where it's going to go, and this is what you're going to tie up to, or what you're going to make the knot with. So you're going to have the loop lay on top of the line. You're going to take the extra, you're going to go up in your loop, you're going to go around your line, and then you're going to go right back in that loop that you made. And that's going to make a bowline. So what you could do with this is you can take this and put it around an object and tuck this line back through it, and it would be secure. Or what else you could do is take this line, put it around an object. You're going to make your loop. Okay, so like I said, you're going to have your line on top of your loop. You're going to go around the object. I'm going to go around so it doesn't get all twisted. So you're going to go up your rabbit hole, around the tree, and right back down the rabbit hole. All right? And then you're going to just pull, and it's going to be nice and tight. So that's a secure knot that you could use. Now to untie the bowline, you just roll over. You're going to pull the loop forward, and that loosens your loop, and then you're just going to pull your line right out. All right, guys, you have any questions? Let me know. Thanks for watching.